All right, welcome to this episode of Transformation Club. And today we have Saurabh, who is also a participant and who have completed the 2XP Growth Model program. He is an aspiring entrepreneur, and he had an amazing transformation in this past 2 to 3 months, being a part of this community, being this part of this program. Welcome, Saurabh. How have you been doing?
First of all, thank you. I'm good. And thanks for introducing me to this course. It was really inspiring.
Great, and just to get an view of 2 to 3 months back before you joined this program, what state of mind were you in, and how was your actions or behaviors or habits or beliefs about yourself or life?
So, previously, what I think I was confused and moreover procrastinating the things. Uh, yes, I was doing yoga and all the things, but it was not consistent. The main thing, it was not consistent. My to-do list was just completely mess. I had decided that I need to do some things, but I can't. After all, in the end of the day, I would have done one or two things only, and I was addicted to social media, mostly for the Facebook and Insta.
Yes.
So my most of the time spent in that only.
Yes, and also I remember when you started this course, you wanted to start your own business, but
Yeah.
2 years you've been trying, but you had a lot of fears and mental blockages mainly,
Yeah. I
right?
was fear of losing actually. What if I will lose my job and that business will be not successful? So we have not started, but I'm prepared for that.
Correct. So, what are the changes right now happening in your life after this 2 to 3 months of this program and being a part of this community?
So if I say,
You're on mute.
let's go. If I say, uh, let's take my schedule. I started around 5:30 to 5:40. I was doing previously also, but I was not doing yoga that time. मतलब कभी करता था, कभी नहीं होता था. And now I'm consistent about it. If when I'm traveling, I will do for 5-10 minutes at least. I will do yoga or I will do a brisk walk, jogging, something I will do. And the best thing, I started meditating as our morning. I started meditating. Then I started gratitude. Mostly to whom we can say thank you and grateful about it. So I used to do journaling. The way I like that thing that you told me about the savers.
Correct.
So I do journaling, I do meditation, I do affirmations.
Great. And how has
And
these things changed your life now? How
yes,
do you think?
I feel more focused about the what I have decided to do.
Okay.
That was
And,
the thing.
and back then, like, what were you focused on? You focused on losing, but now you're more focused on winning.
Yeah, I don't know, but this affirmation changed this thing, I think, because when we have discussed also that I'm facing this issue, you said don't state like I'm facing this problem. Just say that how can I this. So I was previously that I will not be stressful. So I started the affirmation that I will live joyful life.
Correct.
So these things has changed.
Great. And what else was the best part about this coaching program? Like, what did you really enjoy? What made the transformation in your life? What part of the, I would say, this course structure or strategies what you learned actually made a difference?
I found the values, the 6 value which I found these are the best. Everything should be aligned with these values. So it helped me in the decision making. The
Correct.
second thing, the positive quotes. That was the changing thing. And the third thing, yes, journaling. That I started, it changed a lot.
Great. Great, amazing. So, what advice would you give yourself now moving forward?
Yeah.
What advice would you like to give yourself going forward?
Going forward, I will not stop this journaling and all the things which we have discussed. I would like to go on other courses also. So one thing which I think we have discussed also, we need to improve every day, at least even though 0.001% also. The end of the year we will be having, I think, 35%.
Correct.
So that's the best thing which I learn, and I will
You're on mute, Saurabh.
for advanced courses.
Great. Yes, every day we need to focus on improving just 1%. And that
Yeah.
1% will multiply, and become 37% at the end of the year.
And the best thing, in between this training, I started listening podcast instead of giving time to Instagram and Facebook and short reels. So what I started, I used to listen few summaries every day. Every day I decided I will complete one summary, at least one summary. And previously I used to read books. So what I did, I have get started. So I have subscribed some Audible apps also, and I'm just I have almost completed the autobiography of a yogi.
Great.
So I think this change helped.
Great. And what was the motivation behind, like, apart from being the part of the community, apart then getting coached and stuff, anything else which motivated you to change that? Yes, I need to change right now. Like, enough is enough.
Visualization. What you said that after if you continue this bad habits, what will you become after 5 years or after 15 years? What will you become? So I just story writing.
Correct.
So I wrote a story for positive also. I wrote story for a negative also, and it was so horrible. So it was really awakening thing.
Yes. And how are your, are your family, friends seeing any difference in you right now? Or,
Yeah, my parents, my wife, and one of my colleague, he just told me that you had changed everything.
Great. So how are you feeling about this change right now? And
It's good. Actually, I'm moreover focused on my goal that I have started. That I will. I had to achieve this number of revenue after 5 years, 3 years, and 1 year, and I need to start this business anyhow. So if I'm not doing right now, I will be behind at least 10 to 15 years.
correct. Great. And how excited are you to start this? You finished all the documentation and all, you told me, right?
Yeah, we have started. We have finished the document legal part, and actually I'm on notice period from the company, so I can't work right now. But we have done the documentation with another company also.
Okay. Great. And tell us also what business is this you are starting right now?
It's a medical equipment franchisee. So we can say about the from ECG to MRI machines. It includes the all hospital equipments.
Great, amazing. So great. So would you like to tell anything else before we close the session? Like, would you like to give some suggestions, or
I think if you are not focused, and more than 90%, I think more than 90% people they are not focused. They have dream. Everyone is having dream, but they are not focused about it.
Why do you think they're not?
So the thing is, definitely everyone is having some negative things like procrastination. I was having the procrastination thing. I was lazy, clearly saying that I was lazy. I was inconsistent. So these all things are in every person. It's not that I was only having or some person will be having. So I think these type of course, it will really help you.
Great.
And I thought, I think ये पहले मिल जाता तो ज़्यादा better. In 20s, in 22 years, 23 years, I think that was the main thing. I see my colleagues and the younger people.
Correct.
I
So it's
think
very
उनके लिए
important.
बहुत ज़्यादा better.
Correct. It's very important. And these things should be taught to us in school and colleges actually.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Right. Great, amazing. So, thank you so much for your time, sharing your experience of going through the 2XP growth program and how you transformed your life, like, from being procrastinating, lazy, to not having a strong belief that you can do it, start your own business, to now taking that action step. That is more important. You
Yeah,
started taking action, and that is when you start getting results. You already, gave up, signed, you gave papers, signed your papers that to quit your job, and you also side by side you started working towards your company. I think you told me also you cracked a deal with a dealer also,
yeah,
right? So it's really amazing, so I feel so happy to see your transformation in just like 2 to 3 months, right?
yeah. And thanks to you and this program.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you for putting effort. All right. Like I said, a lot of people start, but they're not consistent. They
Yeah,
procrastinate. But you kept going, even if there were challenges through the program. There were certain points where you could not understand, but you still practice, 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 and then started giving you the results. What do you
yeah.
want? All right. So thank you so much, Saurabh. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank
your experience.
thank you. Thanks a lot.